Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you installation of Node.js on Windows machine. Also, I will be showing you how to use it. So let's start the video. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for Node.js download. So guys, here you can see it showing the official website, and here it is a link for downloading. So just click on this download link. So it will redirect you to this download page, and here you can see we have LTS and current. So LTS is long term support, so whenever you are installing Node.js, go for LTS. And then here we have different operating system. Based on your operating system you can select. I'm having Windows, so 64-bit machine, so I'm just clicking on this button. So it has started downloading, and guys, my download is done. Now to install it, I'm going to click on this MSI. Let me minimize my browser, and here guys, I'm going to simply click on next button, and now this is license and agreement page. I need to check mark this and click on this next button. And now guys, here it is showing me the installation location where your Node.js will be installed. So if you wish to change, you can click on change button, otherwise click on this next button. And now guys, here it's showing me what all the thing will be installed in your Node.js. Okay, so here I'm not changing anything. I want to install everything. I'm just clicking on next button. And now guys, here we have another checkbox. So it is asking me to install additional tools and Chocolatey. So for running your Node program, you don't need this. If you wish to install, you can check mark and click on next button. And now here I need to simply click on this install button, so it will start installing. So it is asking me permission. So guys, I'm just clicking on yes, and you can see my installation started. It will not take more time. So guys, it is done. I'm simply clicking on this finish button. So my Node.js installation is done. Now we will be verifying it whether it is working or not. So I'm going to show you verification through three ways. One is through command prompt, another is through Windows PowerShell, and another is through Node.js application. So I've just started my CMD by typing CMD in search box, and here I'm typing node space -v just to show the version of hyphen. You can type node space -- version also, it will also work. So guys, you can see it's showing me my version. Now I'm showing you version of npm also. So for that, again you can type the command npm space -- version. So now guys, you can see it's showing me version of npm also. So guys, now I'm going to install Angular on my system. So for that, I'm going to type a command npm space install space -g space @angular/CLI. So guys, you can see my installation has been started. It will take a while, so we will wait guys. So guys, you can see my installation is done here, and it's showing me one message that the npm has been updated, and I should update this by using this command. So no problem guys. So my npm has to be updated from 9.8.1 to 10.2.1. That's okay. So let's update it. So just copy this command. So npm space install space -g space npm @10.2.1. so this is a new version of npm which will be installed, and just hit enter guys. So you can see it will upgrade my npm from 9.8.1 to 10.2.1. so done guys. So guys, after this I'm going to type a command ng space v. Guys, you can see here it's showing me one message, would you like to share the data uses? So no, I don't want to share. So simply type what n over here. So you can see Angular CLI has been started, and here it's showing me version of Angular, version of Node, as well as version of npm. Also guys, it's showing me my Windows version. Now guys, I'm going to show you how to create and run Angular program in VS Code. So for that guys, first of all, I'm creating one folder on desktop with a name CS Corner, and guys, this folder is blank. So I'm just opening this folder, and here I'm just typing cmd. Okay, so now it has started command prompt, and here guys, I'm going to write a command ng space new space hello app. So here hello app is my project name. So what it will do, under CS corner folder it will create one project with the name hello app. Okay, you can give any name. I have just given hello app as name and hit enter guys. It's asking me would you like to add Angular routing, so just click on Y button. So yes, so now it is asking me style sheet, just press enter, so it will take CSS as style sheet. So guys, now what it is doing, it is creating your project, the folder, the file which is required for this particular project, it is creating that. So inside my CS corner one more folder will be created with a name hello app, and in that all this file will be there. So you can see hello app slash so many things it is showing. Okay, so just wait for it to complete it. So guys, my creation of this project is done. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to change my directory. So I'm inside CS corner but my project is inside hello app. So for that I need to type change a directory command. So cd space hello app, and guys it has shown me message for git, that's okay, no problem. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply type cd space hello app. Guys, in my PC I'm already having Visual Studio Code installed. So if you are not having Visual Studio Code installed, you can install it. Guys, I'm typing a command cd space hello app, so you can see my directory has been changed, and here I'm typing code space dot. So what it will do, it will open my VS Code and all my hello app code will be open over here. So whatever files I'm having in hello app, it's showing over here. So you can see the directory structure, the file structure of hello app. Done guys. Now guys, let's see how to run it. So you can go to view menu, and here you can go to terminal, and guys here you can type the command ng space serve serve. Just type this command and hit enter guys. So guys, you can see here it's doing something, and after few seconds it will complete, and it has shown message compiled successfully. Also guys, it has shown me one URL over here. So http colon localhost colon one port number has been shown over here. So you can follow this path, or you just copy and paste to your browser, or you can just press Ctrl button and just click with mouse. So you can see a browser has been started with this project, and guys it's showing me hello app is running. So guys, that means your project is running. So done guys. So guys, I hope by following my video you are able to successfully run Angular JS program in VS Code. And guys, if you really like my video, don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you want free PDF notes related to computer science and IT, you can join my Telegram channel. The link is in description box. All social media handler is in description box. You can follow me on my social media also. Guys, if you are new to my channel and if you really like my video, if my videos are really helping you, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep learning guys.